Aren't we running too fast? Slow down to connect with the real world and disconnect from the World Wide Web. Unlock new perspectives, not devices. Chase sunsets, not social media trends. Dive into waterfalls, not your inbox. Explore the universe, not the metaverse. It's time to plan the long-pending trip with friends. To conquer your fears and go solo. To experience new adventures. To immerse yourself into a world of magic. Slow down and organize your backpack, not folders. Scroll through your memories, not feeds. Share your stories, not files. Schedule your itineraries, not meetings. It's time to find your happiness, to find your peace, to find your inner child, to find your ikigai, and to find yourself and be it.